HOLT Manufacturing has a leadership team with 127 plus years of combined industry experience. Experience in fuel tanks, enclosures, and packaging, all to serve a multitude of markets, mission-critical facilities, water treatment plants, data centers, oil and gas, and more. Each customer brings special needs, whether it's seismic ratings, emission requirements, modifications, or a one-off product with special fabrication. We have the capabilities. Here's a look at what sets us apart. HOLT Manufacturing offers a full line of carbon steel, double-wall UL-listed diesel fuel tanks. Our in-house engineering and design team can customize tanks to meet your specific requirements. HOLT Manufacturing offers two types of enclosures: weather and sound attenuated. We strive to meet your specification requirements, whether it be UL 2200 certification or stringent DBA sound requirements. We can offer sound attenuation solutions for almost any project. HOLT Manufacturing uses quality construction materials ranging from aluminum to carbon, stainless, and galvanized steel. HOLT understands the importance of airflow design and will ensure a proper configuration to meet your specific project needs. Whether you're working deep underground, far offshore, or providing mission-critical power, with HOLT Manufacturing, you'll get custom packaging that's engineered to fit your exact application. Here's a sample of our engine and generator packaging options: controls and electrical integration, selective catalytic reduction and exhaust systems, fire protection systems, load bank installation, stairs and platforms, voltage changes. Visit holtmfg.com or talk to one of our team members. We'll carefully read and interpret your specifications to craft a personalized solution. After more than 100 years, the Holt family heritage of innovation is reflected in HOLT Manufacturing's ability to provide Spray King water tanks and power packages. Our experienced team is focused on innovating, building, engineering, manufacturing, and solving problems. Ever since Benjamin Holt produced his first horse-drawn harvester in the late 1800s, HOLT Manufacturing has been building the products that move industry and you forward.